Labasolwa bebefunelwa amacala ehlukene izinhlaka zomthetho ezehlukene ngamacala okuthumba kanye nokuphanga. Iphini likaKhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni lithi labasolwa banindeka emacaleni okuthumba.
During June this year, a Chinese national was kidnapped in Landlaagte Police Precinct. Now, they are linked to that case of that kidnapping. And last week, on the 14th at Randburg, an South African Indian male, they tried to kidnap, but that person managed to drive through. He collided deliberately with one of their vehicles because they were using more than one vehicle. And when he when he collided with them, he moved away, and managed to escape.
Amaphoyisa athi labasolwa yibo abadubule kuqala bebhekise kuwo kanti basolwa nangokuphanga izimoto ezithutha imali.
They decided they own the country and the road, nobody will do anything, including law enforcement. And unfortunately, they shot at police, and the police had to defend themselves and the team that was there.
Labasolwa batholwe nezibhamu nezinhlamvu kanti nemoto bebehamba ngayo isaphenywa ukuthi ayitshontshiwe yini.
They are facing attempted murder, possession of unlicensed firearms, because we found a shotgun and a pistol in their possession.
Amaphoyisa athungatha abanye abasolwa abacele empunzini.